Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to prepare a sample for an enzyme production. Okay, so for this what we have to do, first of all we have to prepare a sample. You can choose a sample anything like a water, soil, any food product, but when we are doing an enzyme production, for this we required a rice straw, NaCl. This is your rice straw. See, this is your rice straw. Sodium chloride, that is your NaCl. CMC, that is your carboxymethyl cellulase. Okay, and we also required a distilled water and soil. This is our prepared sample. Okay, for the enumeration of the microorganism from the soil, in a large quantity, we require to dip this rice straw into a soil and NaCl, and in that beaker in which we dip this rice straw with the CMC, with the NaCl and soil, in that beaker carboxyl methyl cellulase is also present, that is called a CMC, that is, and the amount of CMC is around 0.75%. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, we have to prepare a 1 molar of sodium chloride. So for this requirement, what we do, we use a formula, that is weight is equal to number of moles multiplied by molecular weight multiplied by volume taken divided by 1000. Now we have to prepare it for 100 ml, and after putting all the values into the formula, we get 5.844 gram of NaCl, and this 5.88 gram of NaCl dipped into a 50 ml of distilled water, and this distilled water are measured with the help of the measuring cylinder. When this NaCl are completely mixed, then the remaining 50 ml of distilled water, with the help of this measuring cylinder, we add it. After that, we have to prepare a 0.75% of CMC. For this, again, what we have to do, we have to weigh 0.75 gram of CMC, and in another beaker we have a 100 ml of distilled water, but this will be dissolved like slowly and with the help of the magnetic stirrer. So what we do, we take a pinch of that CMC and it should be dissolved into around 10 ml of distilled water with the help of that magnetic stirrer, and into which our beads are there. These beads are mixed that CMC. When these CMC are completely mixed, we take a reagent bottle. Into it, first of all we put a soil, then after that some amount of NaCl we add it, and then some amount of 0.75% of CMC. Then after that we add a rice straw, and then again we add a NaCl and 0.75% of CMC. This is how we prepare our sample. Now after preparing this sample, it should be it should be leave it for a 15 days. After 15 days we get a result, or you can say that this sample is ready for a further experiment or investigation. Okay, this is how we prepare a sample for our enzyme production. Here, if you have any query related to this topic, you can ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play, or you can also ask your query to the helpline number and visit our website www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.